YouTube stands out as the premier global platform for sharing videos, providing an open space for individuals to showcase their content to a worldwide audience. When it comes to editing videos for YouTube, the process is akin to editing for any other purpose, emphasizing user-friendly tools suitable for both beginners and professionals. Numerous video editing platforms are available with varying levels of quality. In curating this list, we surpassed the fundamental criteria for video editing software and sought out the top options that seamlessly align with YouTube uploads. Start with number 6, DaVinci Resolve. For YouTube creators in search of a top-notch free video editing solution, DaVinci Resolve emerges as the go-to choice. Renowned for its remarkable free version, DaVinci Resolve delivers features that rival many paid alternatives. While there's a paid studio version unlocking advanced capabilities like editing at 120 frames per second and 32K resolution, the majority of users will find the free version more than adequate, particularly when crafting content for YouTube. The software boasts a sleek interface and incorporates cutting-edge AI-driven tools that streamline and enhance the video editing process. It's important to note that DaVinci Resolve requires a robust computer setup, so if your current system isn't relatively high-end, you might need to consider an upgrade. Additionally, the software comes with a somewhat steep learning curve, potentially posing a challenge for beginners. However, for those with a powerful machine and the willingness to invest time in mastering a new video editing tool, DaVinci Resolve stands out as an excellent choice for those seeking a free, high-quality solution. Here are the pros and cons. Number 5, Apple iMovie. For aspiring YouTube creators rocking a Mac and aiming for a user-friendly introduction to video editing, iMovie is the go-to choice. While it may not boast the extensive features found in premium counterparts like Premiere Pro or Final Cut Pro, iMovie outshines many other free platforms with its capabilities. It effortlessly handles essential video editing tasks, provides options for audio adjustments and mixing, and sports a user-friendly interface. This intuitive design ensures that even newcomers to video editing can swiftly grasp the software's functionalities. However, iMovie does have its limitations, such as the absence of features like multicam support. Users are also confined to editing a maximum of 2 video tracks simultaneously, limiting the scope of more advanced projects. Additionally, its exclusivity to the Mac ecosystem may pose a constraint for some users. Nevertheless, if you're embarking on your YouTube journey, own a Mac, and prefer not to spend on getting your videos online, iMovie should definitely be at the top of your list. Here are the pros and cons. Number 4, Apple Final Cut Pro. If you're in the market for a powerful video editing tool, Final Cut Pro is worth a look. Over the years, Final Cut Pro has undergone significant evolution, offering a range of advanced features. Notably, its multicam support is unparalleled, ensuring seamless editing of multi-angle shots. The well-designed and largely intuitive user interface is especially welcoming for those transitioning from iMovie, given its similar overall layout and basic tool set. Unlike many alternatives, the desktop version of Final Cut Pro operates on a flat-rate pricing model with unlimited upgrades, eliminating the need for a subscription. It's important to mention that Final Cut Pro is exclusively available for Apple devices, and while the iPad version requires a subscription, the desktop version does not. It's worth noting that some users might find the update frequency of Final Cut Pro a bit low, potentially causing delays in accessing the latest cutting-edge features available on other platforms. However, for those firmly entrenched in the Apple ecosystem seeking a robust video editing experience, Final Cut Pro remains the top choice for YouTube content creation. If you're a Mac user, you might also want to check out our list of the best audio editing software of 2024, which features an Apple product. Here are the pros and cons. Number 3, Adobe Premiere Rush. For content creators focused on producing videos for YouTube Shorts and other short-form vertical video platforms, especially using mobile devices, Adobe Premiere Rush is an excellent choice. Built on the foundation of Premiere Pro, it offers many of the same tools and features, but in a user-friendly package, conveniently available on mobile devices. Yes, you heard it right, Premiere Rush allows you to edit videos directly from your iPhone or Android device. It's also compatible with iPads, and there's a desktop version for seamless switching between devices. To unlock the full potential of Premiere Rush, a subscription to the Adobe Creative Cloud is required. However, you might find that the features offered in the free plan are sufficient for your needs. While the software may not be as powerful as some of the other desktop-based solutions on this list, if you're looking for the best mobile-based video editing solution available, Adobe Premiere Rush is the way to go. Here are the pros and cons. Number 2. Wondershare Filmora. For YouTube creators watching their budgets, Wondershare Filmora emerges as a compelling alternative worth considering. Despite its budget-friendly nature, Filmora packs a punch with numerous advanced features comparable to those found in high-end video editing platforms at a significantly lower cost. Users can access fundamental editing functionalities, merging tools, and a variety of artificial intelligence-driven features. The software's intuitive interface ensures a smooth editing experience, making it an appealing choice for those wary of delving into the complexities of new editing software. While Filmora provides exceptional value, there are some trade-offs. Some of its editing tools may not be as refined as those in Premiere Pro or Final Cut Pro, and its support for multicam editing is limited. However, given its competitive pricing, Filmora stands out as an excellent option for many YouTube creators. The software offers flexible purchasing options, including a subscription with regular updates or a one-time payment, though the latter doesn't cover future updates. Here are the pros and cons. And here is number 1. Adobe Premiere Pro Best Overall. For YouTube creators in search of the ultimate video editing software, Adobe Premiere Pro stands as the top choice. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced editor, Premiere Pro offers a versatile set of tools to elevate your basic clips into content ready for YouTube. Its user-friendly interface ensures a seamless editing process, and it supports a wide range of video file formats for both import and export. The software excels in file organization within a project thanks to its excellent organizational tools and boasts industry-leading multicam support. Despite its feature-rich nature, newcomers may find Premiere Pro a bit overwhelming initially, requiring a comfortable investment of time to become familiar with its capabilities. A high-end computer is also recommended, particularly for users looking to leverage Premiere Pro's advanced features and handle extensive projects. However, for those willing to dedicate some time to mastering the software and equipped with the necessary computing power, Adobe Premiere Pro unquestionably stands out as the go-to video editing software for YouTube endeavors. If you're exploring options beyond YouTube video editing, be sure to check out our list of the best video editing software of 2024. Here are the pros and cons. Having the right video editing software is crucial for crafting content that seamlessly fits both horizontal and vertical video formats on YouTube. Several platforms even offer the convenience of direct publishing from within the software. While Adobe Premiere Pro is widely considered the top choice for many, some might lean towards a mobile-centric option like Premiere Rush or opt for a free solution like Apple's iMovie. No matter your preferences, there's a diverse range of YouTube video editing software options available to meet your specific needs. Whether you're a content creator, filmmaker, or just passionate about storytelling, investing in the right tool can elevate your projects to new heights. The links are in the description below, so be sure to check them out. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and hit that notification bell.